When uploading shots from your PC, you cannot add a thumbnail. I'm going to show you how to add a custom thumbnail to your YouTube shots by uploading from your mobile device. Getting started, the first thing you would have to do is open the YouTube application on your mobile device. Then you should wait for it to load completely. After it has, click on the plus button at the bottom of the page among the tabs you can see there. Then from the open menu, click on Create Shots to select it, which would open this page where you can take a video for your shots. But assuming you have the video already shot and edited, just hit this box at the bottom left side of the page to open the Files Explorer on your mobile device. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so, and let's continue. From this page, just look for and select the video you want to upload as a YouTube shot, after which you will be taken to this page where you can trim the video clip. One thing you should note and make sure is that your video clip is to be 60 seconds or less. When you are okay with the video clip, just hit done to begin the processing of your video clip. After your video is done processing, you will be taken to the page you were first taken to when you clicked on Create Shot from the YouTube main page. From here also, if you're okay with the video clip, just hit the check button at the bottom right side of the page to move to the next stage of the upload process. In this new tab, you can add a filter to your video by just choosing the filters option. Next, browse through the options at the bottom of the screen and choose the one you are okay with. After selecting the desired filter, just hit next to proceed further into the process. The next stage is where you input the details of the shot. So begin by adding a caption or title for the video. You can also add hashtags to your video caption by selecting the recommended ones YouTube gives you or by inputting it manually. When you are done with that also, you can scroll down to where we have related video. With this, you can link a long form video similar to this for your audience who watch this short to also watch the long form video, just like the cards we have in long form videos, or let's say an end screen. But you can see that you need to verify your YouTube channel before you can implement that feature. Now to add a thumbnail to the video, press the pencil icon on the video clip, default thumbnail. After it is done processing, you can now move the highlighted playhead around your video clip to select a perfect spot from the video as your thumbnail. When you find a perfect spot and you're okay with it, just click on the down button to move you back to the details page. From here, just hit on upload shots to upload your shots to YouTube. After all this, you can see that your video would process for one last time and be published to YouTube. And that is basically how you can upload shots from your mobile device and add a custom thumbnail. If you have watched the video to this point and enjoyed it, kindly like the video and subscribe to this channel to get notified when we release a new video. If you want to learn how to add tags to your YouTube video using vidIQ to increase views, I will leave that video on the end cards so that you can check it out. See you next time. Peace out.